Hi, welcome. So I'm taking a bold step just because of you, as I noticed that quite a lot of graduates most time find it really difficult as to how to um, pivot around their career path. So the essence of this video, this is actually my first YouTube channel, and I'm hoping it will be worthwhile after listening to this video, and so that you can stay glued to my channel and learn more from me. Okay, all right, so my name is Ngozi Benedicta John. I'm a financial planner. Yeah. I'm a financial planner. I work with Enterprise Life Nigeria. It has really been a burden in my heart to come out on this space and share a bit of contribute a bit of my own quarter towards imparting to other people's life who are currently struggling, towards what to do, what not to do, especially as it concerns job. So I remember when I finished my university days back in 2017, I was kind of so lost. Like, I was so depressed. I I find it really hard or difficult, getting a job, especially my dream job. Because I remember my goal for actually going to Madonna University was basically to like get a first class degree in economics, come out, and then I'm being rushed like, hey Ngozi, come and work for us, hey Ngozi, come and work for us. I was even like, I was expecting that when I was graduating, because back then in my school, you know how they treat first class graduates. They kind of give them like people come there during their graduation to like get them on board into their companies, and I was really hopeful. I read so much in school, and I was just like, when you're anticipating that, oh, Shell will be coming, Chevron will be coming, and these other big companies will be coming, just to come and take me, and before you know it, I'll be working in Shell and other companies. Oh god. But truth be told, it happened for some, but it didn't happen for me. And I also noticed that out of, let me say, 100%, maybe like 10% actually benefited from the case scenario I just painted. But so after I finished school, I was really so like, oh god, what can I do, at a point I become so confused. I was so confused rather, and I just wanted to do something. You know that saying, they say when the desirable is not available, the available becomes desirable. So that was what really happened to me. I wanted to work like in a bank. I wanted to work in a very big company, multinational company, where my knowledge, where my everything, all the skills that I have, because back then in school people were like, ah, Ngozi, you're so brainy, Ngozi, you're so this, and Ngozi, you're so that, and I was like, oh, A1 crushing it in school. But coming out to the how will I call it, is it favor market, not labor market? I remember back then we used to call it favor market just to give ourselves hope. So I remember coming out, and oh god, it was as if goes, what did you even go to school for? What purpose? And I noticed this is also some kind of questions that might be going around the minds of people. And so I decided to at least throw open this YouTube channel today, and then let you know that based on experience as well, I've come to understand that there are different critical paths to life or to one's destination. I don't know if you get that. Let me rephrase. I said there are different critical paths to a destination. Okay, you remember how maybe, for instance, I might be coming from Lekki and my location is to go to Ikeja. Is either I go through is it CMS road down to Oshodi and Dancy Keja, or I go through Third Mainland Bridge. But remember, the destination is just to arrive at Ikeja. So some people might take that route, go through different other routes, and you see them in Ikeja. Why you might decide, okay, your own part is just to go through Third Mainland Bridge and then you land yourself there. So my major point is this: why, when you're out of school, or while you're out of school, as the case might be, don't just like don't lose hope when you don't see the right job that you want for yourself. Because remember what I said, when the desirable is not available, the available becomes the desirable. And the good thing about life is this, you can't you might be saying, oh, your own is bad, your own is this, without realizing that you picking up a job that you feel as if is not really in line with what you studied might actually be like a stepping stone towards redirecting you to the path, or even connecting you to the person that will now help you land that other job that you too much desire. So why I'm saying it is because I notice, because I'm also a manager, and I recruit I recruit from time to time. I've come to notice that when people come and you're like, okay, this is the job that is available, and they be like, I can't do this job. Oh, sorry, I can't do this job. And I'm like, I studied economics. Excuse me? I worked as a cleaner with my first class degree. I worked as a cleaner. After working as a cleaner, I worked as and I also gained a good relationship by working as a cleaner after graduating, just for that person to connect me to another set. And aside that, I also work as an assistant to a commissioner here in Lagos, economic budget and planning, wife of the no, sorry, not commissioner, wife of the commissioner to economic budget and planning here in Lagos back in 2019. And I remember the relationship, the experiences, the knowledge gained while doing that. I didn't just say, oh no, I am a first class graduate, and because of that I can't be answering mama, I can't be carrying people's bag and be doing yes. No, I didn't say that. I knew that while doing this job I would definitely like it would be like a stepping stone. Do you understand? And while living there, I move up to working as accountant in a supermarket. At least that was even close to what I studied in school. Do you understand? And how did I even got this accountant job? It was through working as an assistant to this wife of a commissioner. They are more like the owner of this supermarket they are more like friends, right? So when COVID struck and there were no much activities, I lost the assistant job. So I applied to the friends supermarket, right? Because at least people needed to buy, eat, and do a lot of things. So and then you notice that people are always looking for where to get things and all that. So I started working as an accountant in this supermarket, and I learned a lot. I developed a template and other few things that if maybe I didn't venture into that, I wouldn't have learned that skill. Because when you pick up a job and you're being given, oh, this is what is expected of you, this is what is expected of you, as someone that really wants to maintain your job, right? You want to like push yourself, you want to take up a course, you want to like develop or hone on that skill that you have, just to be sure that okay, when next they say, Ngozi, I need this report about so profit and loss, you won't be saying, oh sorry, I don't know that. So even if you have, let me say you enter into a job with, let me say 40 or 30% knowledge, as you journey through that career or through that job, at least before you even stay like 6 months or 7 months on that job, you should at least hone your skill from 30% to like 70%. And even before you leave that job, maybe you should be taking it up a bit as well. So that was what working in a supermarket helped me achieve. So but then that wasn't like my destination. I knew it was also like a stepping stone to where I'm going to, right? So what I then did was I kept on working, and then when I needed to transition, I I resigned and I transitioned. But trust me, if I hadn't worked there, I wouldn't have like gained more knowledge to help me reapply to other jobs that I needed, or that was in consonance with what I'm yearning for. Do you understand? So the major summary of all this I'm saying is this: as a graduate, or as someone who is really really passionate about moving from A to B, don't just use because, oh, you want to use limousine to that destination, or you want to enter Uber to that destination, and because Uber, or you cannot even afford Uber, and because of that you decide just to stay idle. I don't know if I'm making sense, but in summary, what I'm trying to say is this: don't just graduate, don't just leave school and then stay idle and then just be roaming around the streets of Lagos, as the case might be, or anywhere you are in the world, waiting for the manna to fall down on your lap, like your desired job to fall down on your lap. Well, if maybe you currently have like funds, right? Because you work two ways. If you have funds that can last you for like 1 year, 6 months, even when you are yet to get that job, can last you while you're learning other things is available, please, by all means, you can wait while honing your skill, right? I'm also sure why it's not as if you're also waiting, but majority the people I'm actually speaking to is those that you're out of school, people are depending on you, your parents are more like, oh, our daughter is now a graduate, so you need to get something done. 1 year is gone, 6 months is gone, 2 years is gone, and then you're still idle. Instead of you just picking a job, even if it's 40,000, even if it's 30,000, even if it's 50,000, sister, brother, please pick that job. Start working on it. Be diligent in doing that job. They say those who are faithful in little beginning, at least, how did the Bible put it? You get will get more. Be diligent on that job, learn everything you need to learn on that job, as in with the tools or equipment that is provided for you to do that job. Use it to hone your skill, because trust me, if maybe you are home, you wouldn't have access to those tools, example computers and other essential tools for becoming a very productivity person, or productive person rather. Do you understand? If you wouldn't have access to that, because I know quite a large number of people, at least for me, well, let me just say, at least for me, when I finished school, I wasn't having any access to a laptop or anything. But working for the assistants, working as an assistant, personal assistant, helped me. I was able to work with laptop. I was able to use it to learn different skills. Working as an accountant also opened me to having that as well. I don't want this video to be so long. So this is just my giveaway, or my points really, in reality. As a graduate, please don't stay home. Don't stay home. This is year 2024. Judging from my story, right, and from my experience as well, I believe people can literally walk from, what I call it, little beginning to that high level they aspire to be. And it also takes a lot of hard work. Like, look at me. I remember when I started working as a cleaner, right? It's actually funny now, but then it wasn't funny. But being determined and having something I'm looking forward to, I actually decided to pick the job, because I think being idle for me is more stressful, right? Being idle when I'm home or I'm not doing anything, like, it's more stressful. But the good thing is this as well: it doesn't literally you don't have to like journey through maybe from cleaning to maybe your desired stage. But the essence of this video is more like you can actually start from wherever you are, right? You can start from whatever it is that is available. We have a lot of avenues for you to learn and grow, honing your skills right now. And another thing also is relationships. So hence the essence of maybe picking a job, going to an environment where people can know you, aside like the online community as well, because definitely you need to build a good relationship so that when people are making reference, they'll be like, okay, this person is actually good. So that was how I pick up the job, and I think I cleaned for, really, was it 4 months or 3 months thereabouts before I moved into working as an assistant, personal assistant to the wife of the commissioner, and then after that an accountant, and now I'm currently working as a financial planner, right? And I really love the job I'm doing right now, right? it's it speaks more to me based on what I studied in school, right? And I also noticed that doing this job is also helping me impart in a great way to people as well, especially in helping them caution the effects of uncertainties when they arise. So I really love the job I'm doing right now, and that was how. And not just the job, I also love the fact that, okay, at least the job is also helping me to have money to cater for some basic needs. I'm not there yet, but definitely. At least I moved from zero naira to I moved from zero naira to, like, let me say, 0 to 200. I didn't say anything though, from 0 to 200, and it's actually a big win for me, right? And this is just like to encourage you. This is year 2024. Don't just sit at home. Look for something to do. Look for any available opportunity and pick it up. And trust me, you'll be going up, 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 up. And that is where you're meant to be. All right, love you. Please, please, please. I'm taking this bold step. Oh God. I'm really taking this bold step to come out here and put myself here in order to say one or two things. So please kindly help me subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me grow on this channel so I can actually help more people through the services I rendered and through other ideas and general tips I know will definitely come in handy as we both climb the ladder of success. All right, love you. Bye.